Have you ever received a message like this? Well, this is old phishing. Today, they have become more sophisticated, and if you don't pay attention, they will drain your bank account in seconds. So let's see what phishing is today. Stay safe online is possible and not so difficult. Subscribe to the channel if you want to keep learning how to be safe online and stay one step ahead of scammers and hackers. Imagine a delivery guy that rings your doorbell with a package. He is in a huge rush, shouting something like, "Hurry up, I have 50 more deliveries." Your instinct says, "Oh, okay. But then you open the box inside of your home and a drone flies out and starts destroying your house. That's exactly how phishing works. At first, phishing doesn't hack your computer, it hacks your brain. It uses your emotions and fake sense of urgencies to bypass your logic. Today, phishing causes billions of dollars lost every year and is the most reported scam to the FBI. Just think about it. Generic phishing emails have a click rate of about 20%. But what about AI-powered campaigns? They hit over 50%. That means out of 100 people, more than a half will click on that freaking link, exposing themselves to data theft, to ransomware and whatever. So how do we protect ourselves? Well, it's simple. We just need to train our mind to spot the trap. If AI can push phishing's click rate to over 50%, constant and good training can lower that click rate to below 5%. Knowledge is the ultimate antivirus. So now let's see how you can build your digital immunity. The really first rule of anti-phishing is beware of urgency. Everything is urgent, just calm down, take your time. Don't trust any email, any message, any notification that tries to rush you. If you see a message saying like, "Pay now or your bank account will be blocked," just stop, take your time. They just want you to do something fast so you don't think about it. Then, when you have taken your time, just check the sender. Phishers use similar characters to trick your eyes. For example, they use the combination RN that is similar to M. Think about Amazon and Amazon. It looks similar, right? So take your time and be careful. If you don't pay attention, you will fall into their trap. The second tip is use hovering. If you are on a computer, just hover your mouse over the link, but be careful to do not click on it, okay? Just put your mouse over and you will see the real URL. If it seems fake and different from the official one, just stay away and do not click on it. And on a smartphone, just long press the link and you will see the real URL before you open it. And if hovering is too complicated, you want a simple rule, just never click a link on emails, messages or whatever. Instead, open your browser and type the official link on it, especially if it's something important to you, like bank account, Amazon, Netflix or whatever you feel important, just type it. Do this and your risk will become zero. Remember, phishing seems simple, but it's the #1 scam on the internet and it's very effective. That's why you must never stop learning how to spot it. Keep training your eyes, stay alert and protect your digital world. To be even safer, you can always enable two-factor authentication or multi-factor authentication whenever it's possible, and keep an antivirus with anti-phishing protection up to date. These are safety nets, but remember that your mind is still the #1 way to protect yourself. So don't rely only on antivirus and whatever. And what about you? Have you ever fallen into a phishing scam? Let us know in the comment your story. And if you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you will not miss any new video on CyberPop. And now, see ya in the next video. Ciao!